Hello wonderful people, welcome back to another Temu video. So in today's video I just said to show us how I get the €100 credits. Now this is not the coupon, this is the credits. There's something we call the Temu credits on the app. I'm going to be showing us shortly. Once you have this credits in your Temu balance, you can find it in your Temu balance. You can use it to make whatever purchase you want, you can use it to purchase whatever item you want. What this means is that once you check out, let's say you buy something of €50 or €100, and Temu shows you your balance, what you have to pay is €70. Your whatever money you have in your Temu credit is applied and the money is deducted from there. So for a purchase of €70, they take out the 70 and what you have left is your €30. Now if you purchase above the amount you have in your Temu credit, the same thing is done, is deducted, and then whatever is left, then you have to pay from your card. So that's how it works. I really like when I have this Temu credit given to me. I love when I have something in my Temu balance. So this amazing offer is coming to me with qualifying orders. Of course, you know that there is always going to be something attached to the free gifts or the coupon credits that Temu is trying to offer you. So I'll click on Get Now. And let's see how this works. So I click on this. So even if I miss it, Temu will always give you the chance to keep choosing until you get the right one. Okay. Crack the golden egg, get extra coins. So this is just us building up our €100 credits, Temu credits. Place orders. So this is where the catch comes now. I'll have to place orders, like they said, with qualifying orders for me to get this. So pick your items to win €100 credits. So I'll have to place orders worth €20, I guess. Let's see. Let me just pick at random and see how this works. Let me try to check out and see. Away from €10 order. Okay, €10 order. I have to pick items worth €10 to qualify for my €100 Temu credits. So let's pick something else and let's see. Add to bag. Let me still try to check out. Orders with a total under €10 will not be shipped. Okay, so I have to pick one more thing to just make up 10. And let's see. So now I have a total of €11.38. Let me try to check out. And you see, your reward collects coins to get €100 credits. So my total is €11.38. Shipping is free, of course. I already have a previous credit of €1.91, which is minus, which has already been subtracted, and what I have to pay now is €9.47. So once I pay and my order is confirmed, my payment is confirmed, €100 credit will be going to my Temu balance. Now let me show us where the Temu balance is for those of us that don't know where or how to locate it. So I'll go back to the home. Of course, I'm not planning to make any order. I don't want to order anything. So this is just for demonstration to show us how all this works. So I'll just go back, check out to collect coins to get €100 credit. Of course, they want me to check out, but maybe next time. I don't want to buy anything today. So let's go back to the home page. So when you get to the home page, you click on the U icon down here, and then when you scroll down the options, you will see credit balance. You click on that, and this is where your Temu credit goes. If I eventually went ahead with the order and I made payment and it's confirmed, the 100 euros would have come to this what I have here, but I didn't. But regardless, if you're on the app and Temu offers you credit after you've meet up with your qualifying order, after you've meet up with what the minimum threshold of items they want you to purchase, your credit will surely come here and you can use it to shop. You can use it to shop. And yeah, that's it. You can use it to shop, make payments with it during your checkout when you're done adding items to your cart, and just it will be deducted, whatever it is your total is, it will be deducted from your Temu credits, and whatever is remaining of the money, that's what you pay. So yes, I hope we understand all this. It's really explanatory, but if you still have questions, you can write me in the comment section and I'm going to reply. I have a code for those of us that are new app users. If you've never used the Temu app, you can download it, attach my code or search for my code in the search bar. What I mean by the search bar is just this search bar here where you search for items. Search for my code on the search bar and you'll be given the 100 euro coupon or even free gifts. That's if it is your first time using the app. But if you're an existing user, you also stand the chance of getting 30% off your items. Okay, so just search it and let me know if you get the discount or the coupon. For those of us that would like to join the affiliate program, the Temu affiliate program, also search this code on the search bar and you'll be signed up for it. Immediately. You just fill out other information that is needed for you. All right, thank you for watching to this point and have a blessed day. Bye.